Good morning, my dear students. Let us see lesson number 3, HCF and LCM. In previous video, we have seen practice set 12. Question number 2, find the HCF by the division method and reduce to the simplest form. So, we found HCF. Now, we have to reduce to the simplest form. So, we got here in this example, 275 upon 525. HCF is equal to 25. So we have to divide to numerator and denominator by 25. So 275 divided by 25 upon 525 divided by 25. So it is completely divisible. 25 ones are 25. So 25 minus 25, that is we got to remainder 2. Now see here, 275 divided by 25. 25 ones are 25. 27 minus 25, that is we got 2. Now we have to take 5. 25 ones are 25. So remainder we got 0. 25 minus 25, 0. So here 275 divided by 25. Here we got 11. Similarly, 525 divided by 25. 25 twos are 50. 52 minus 50, that is we got remainder 2. Now we have to take next number 5. Now we got 25 and 25 ones are 25. So 25 minus 25, that is we got remainder 0. So here remainder becomes 0 and we got answer 21. So this is called simplest form. By dividing HCF to both this numerator and denominator, we got 11 upon 21. So this is called simplest form. Similarly, we have seen second example, 76 upon 133. And we found HCF by division method, that is 19. So here 76 upon 133, both these numbers divided by 19. Now see, 19 4s are 76. So 76 divided by 19, that is we got 4. And see, 19 5s are, let us check, 5 9s are 45, 4 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 4, 9. Now 19 into 6, 9 6 are 54, 5 carry, 6 1s are 6 plus 5, 11, 114. Now 19 into 7 are 9 7s are 63, 6 carry, 7 1s are 7 plus 6, 13, that is we got 133. So 19 7s are 133. So dividing to both these numbers, 76 upon 133 by HCF, that is 19, we got 4 upon 7, and this is called simplest form. Now let us see one more example from this question. We have to find HCF as well as we have to reduce to the simplest form by using division method. Now see, here I wrote 69 table. We have to find 161 in 69 table. So here 69 ones are 16, 69 twos are 138, and 69 threes are 207. 207 which is bigger than 161, so we can't take. So here 69 twos are 138. Now we have to do subtraction. 8 cannot be subtracted from 1, therefore go to next number. Take borrow from 6. So here we got 5 and here we got 11. So 11 minus 3, that is we got 3. And 5 minus 3, that is we got 2. So here we got 23. 1 minus 1, that is 0. So remainder 23. Again the rule of division method. We have to divide to previous divisor by this remainder. So we have to divide this previous divisor, that is 69, divisible by 23, remainder 23. Now see, in 23's table 69 is there or not. So 23 ones are 23, 23 twos are 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 23 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So 23 3s are 69. Now 69 minus 69, that is remainder becomes 0. Now we have to consider previous divisor, that is SCF. Therefore here previous divisor is 23, which is the SCF. Therefore HCF is equal to 23. Now we have to reduce into simplest form. So 161 divided by the SCF 23 upon 69 divided by 23. Now see, we have to find in 23 tables 161 is there or not. So 23 4s are 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 92, 23 5s are 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, 115. 23 6s are 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. 23 7s are 7 3s are 21, 2 carry, 7 2s are 14 plus 2 16, 161. So 23 7s are, so 161 divided by 27, that is we got 23, or 161 divided by 23 we got 7. So 23 7s are 161, and 69 divisible by 23. See, 69 is there, 23s are 69, so we got 3. So here we got 7 upon 3, that is the simplest form of this 161 upon 69. Now we are to next point, list common multiple, that is LCM. LCM means list common multiple. So let us see definition. The LCM of the given numbers is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given numbers. So in this we have to take all the numbers, and common divisors we have to write once. So let us see example. Find the LCM of 60 and 48. So first we have to find the factors of first 60 by using factorization method. See, last digit is 0, therefore dividing by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2, that is we got 1, 2 5s are 10. Last digit is 5, therefore divisible by 3. 3 5s are 50, and 5 1s are 5. So we got factors of 60, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Similarly, we have to find the factors of 48 by using factorization method. Last digit is 8, therefore dividing by even number, that is 2. 2 2s are 4, are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 3 is prime number, therefore 3 1s are 3. So these are the factors of 48. 2 4 times, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4 times into 3. So these are the factors of 48. Now we have to find common divisor. 2 2 times, therefore LCM of 60 and 48. First we have to write common, 2, again 2, and we have to take other number also. 3 also common, so we have to write once 3, and other number 2 into 2 into 5. So it means that we have to take all the numbers. Common numbers we have to write once, 2 into 2 into 3, and other number 5 into 2 into 2, 5 into 2 into 2. So we have to write multiplication of all these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, and 24, this 5 2s are 10, that is we got 240, and 240 is the LCM. So LCM means First we have to find out common divisor and we have to write ones, and other numbers also we have to take 5 into 2 into 2, and this common 2 into 2 into 3, and multiplication of all these numbers, that is called LCM. So don't forget to write this example in your notebook. Let us see few more examples in next video. Bye, take care.